You're about to learn the easiest, most delicious pizza sauce in history. Get ready. I'm Christina, and you're here on The Main.
Can I come in your kitchen, baby, and cook all night long with you?
I am a self-professed sauce queen. I love pizza sauce, pasta sauce, whatever it is, give it to me. Now, this pizza sauce is specifically a takeout style pizza sauce. There are tons of sauces that you can choose to accompany your pizza. And this one specifically is when you're craving that pepperoni pie. This is not for your, traditional margarita style. This is for when you're craving that like Domino's style pizza. You want to start with a can of tomatoes and just take the lid off. I use crushed tomatoes because it's nice and thick and you get a lot of tomato flavor. And I don't worry too much about using a premium tomato here because you're going to be adding a lot of stuff to it. And I like to reserve those premium cans of tomatoes like San Marzano for really starring roles. So I promised this was going to be very easy, and it is. We're gonna build the whole sauce right here in this can. You guys need one large garlic clove, and I use my microplane to avoid getting anything else dirty. And I just grate this right into the crushed tomatoes. I'm using a 28-ounce can here. I love to freeze this recipe. 1 can of tomatoes makes about 3 large pizzas. Or if you're like me and you love a saucy pizza, 2 large pizzas. Next, 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan. I like to do 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, but this is completely optional. And 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I told you this was easy. Next step, just stir these ingredients all together. Pro tip, I like to just stir them shallowly on the top to incorporate before I really get down in there. So I go down into the bottom of the can and I spoon everything on the bottom up to the top so I get a really thorough mix, spinning the can while I do this motion. This smells incredible. This is the closest thing I've ever had to takeout style pizza sauce. And it's so cheap to do this. This can of tomatoes was like $1.50. I've actually put this sauce on a really quick eggplant parmigiana. I had an eggplant in my fridge. I just breaded it, fried it. I needed something to go on top. I had some of this sauce in the freezer. It defrosted in 15 minutes. It was fantastic. We'll go over a lot of different pizza sauces here on the show. And this one is this is my master sauce for doing a really great pizza for pizza night. 30 seconds of mixing and this is fully incorporated. My favorite part about this sauce is if you want more garlic, add more garlic. You want it spicier, get more chilies in there. But this, This is how I like my pizza sauce. This is unbelievable. So good, home run. The sauce is ready to go on a pizza. Make sure you guys are subscribed because that video is coming very soon. If you make this, let me know in the comments below and let me know what your favorite style of pizza sauce is. This pizza sauce is ready to go. It's gonna hit up a takeout style pizza that I'm gonna show you how to make very soon. Make sure you hit the like button if you got something from this video and I'm gonna go use this.